Thousands of years ago, man discovered natural pigments. Hundreds of years ago, man invented synthetic pigments. By now, there are more paint series available than you can count. But it is always the same old story. Explore something new and join the revolution. With more pigments than you will ever need in 100 colors, including basics, monopigmented, metallics, and fluos, ultra opacity, ultra matte finish, ultra brilliant, ultra saturation, Ultracryl. The new polyurethane enhanced acrylics by 1001 Labs. Visit www.ultracryl.com.